Every spring, a $50 to $80 pop-up greenhouse kit gets bought with good intentions, set up once on a warm Saturday, and then it collapses in the first real wind. Yours too? The plastic is too thin to hold a cold night. The vents were designed by somebody who has never actually grown a single seedling. By May, the whole thing lives in your garage, defeated. Today I'm handing you $10 tree hacks that beat that kit on temperature, pest control, airflow, and propagation success all at once. And hack number 1 costs 30 cents. Stay for that. I'm Maggie. I don't sell plants. I grow them. Same soil, same seasons, same mistakes you're making. Let's fix yours together. The garden industry wants you buying a box. I'm gonna show you how to build a better one with receipts under $15. Before we start, tell me your USDA zone below. Zone 4 people need different hacks than Zone 9 people, and I'll flag which of these 10 matter most for you. Hack number 10. Pull noodles from the seasonal aisle. $1.25, and they replace 2 things you overpay for every season. Cut into discs. They're pot risers that stop deck rot. Sliced open, they insulate black plastic pots so the roots don't cook in July. Hack number 9, a broomstick handle. Rigid wood, $1.25. It won't snap under a heavy tomato like cheap bamboo does. I've had the same broomstick stake in my tomato bed 3 seasons running. Bamboo stakes lasted me about 6 weeks in the same row. Hack number 8. Polypropylene shoe organizer. 12 to 24 pockets, breathes like landscape fabric, drains perfectly, $1.25. Hang it on the fence and you've got a vertical propagation wall for herbs or strawberries. Garden Center sells that rack for $40. Before hack number 7, wait. $3 tree items will actually kill your plants, and I want you to know them. Rocket Pocket seed mixes, 88% filler, Dollar Tree potting soil, compressed clay, and sticks. Their watering cans spill sideways. Skip all 3. Back to the hacks. Number 7. Clear scalloped party containers from the seasonal aisle. $1.25, mini greenhouse dome with built-in vents. Drop one over a tray of seedlings in March. Lift the corner for airflow, condensation stays inside. Boutique cloches cost $30 for this. Hack number 6. Coco coir liner sheets from the craft aisle, $1.25, replaces gravel, landscape fabric, and bagged coir all at once. Line the walls of your pots with it before soil. Independent testing showed 40% less watering through heat waves. I noticed the difference in week 1. Quick physics moment, because this matters. Everybody thinks a real greenhouse has to be massive glass or a $100 aluminum frame. That's not how early spring thermodynamics actually works in a small space. Thin plastic plus a little foam outperforms stone and heavy glass in spring because mass stays too warm to condense the morning moisture your seedlings need. The plants don't know what the hoops cost. Hack number 5. Wire cooling rack from the kitchen aisle, plus plastic wrap from the grocery aisle. $2.50 total propagation tray with airflow underneath. Elevate the tray, tent the wrap. You've got humidity control that a $15 nursery propagator can't match. Roots breathe, cuttings don't rot. Quick pause. What's the strangest non-garden thing you've ever pressed into service in your beds? Mine was a thrift store colander as a strawberry jail. Show me yours below. Hack number 4. Elastic shower caps. About $1 for a pack. Individual germination domes that channel condensation to the edges instead of onto your seeds. Pop one over a 4-inch pot with fresh seed. Leave it 3 days, pull it off. Germination rate jumps without you touching a single drop of water. Hack number 3. A clear storage bin from the organization aisle. $1.25. Flip it upside down and you have a semi-rigid walled cloche. Holds interior temperature more stable than a $40 pop-up greenhouse tent. Doesn't blow over, doesn't bake. Tucks under the bench when you're done. Hack number 2. $5 buys American seed co-packets, a cell pack, and a humidity dome tray. Complete seed starting system. Same packets on the big box shelf, $3.99 each. Garden Center seed starting kits, $25 to $30 for the exact same 3 components. And now hack number 1. 30 cents. 2 clear plastic cups from the party aisle. One right side up holding your cutting in moist soil. One inverted over the top as a sealed humidity chamber. I ran this against the standard water glass method for 8 weeks straight on tomato, basil, rosemary, and coleus cuttings. The water method rooted 35% across the 4 species. The double cup propagation chamber rooted 81%, not on one lucky species, across all 4. 30 cents flat out beat a $40 commercial propagator on the same bench. So here's your recap. Pool noodles, broomstick, shoe wall, scalloped dome, Coco coir, cooling rack, shower caps, storage bin, seed system, double cup. $14 total. That's your complete greenhouse and propagation system. The $80 pop-up kit fails on every single thing it promised to do. If you start with just one today, start with hack number 1. 2 cups, 30 cents, 15 minutes. You'll see rooting on cuttings within the week. Hit subscribe and the bell if this is the kind of gardening you want more of. Your garden doesn't need expensive, it needs somebody thinking. That somebody is you. Not the garden center, not the $80 kit collapsed in the garage. You, with $14, a windowsill, and the patience to notice what actually works. Your best season starts right now. I'm Maggie, I'll see you next week. Same fence, same soil, same honest talk. Real results without the real estate.